Welcome to video number 245 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. This is again a grammar video, and let's try to complete as much grammar as possible so that you'll find advanced learning much more easier. In fact, you can learn a lot of things on your own as you watch a movie or when you listen to someone talking, because a good foundation in grammar will make it all easy for you. Okay, in this video you can learn about sentences where we use the one, that is the one. Who is the one, or the one, like which is the one, blah blah blah. So I do not wish to compare any grammar term of English here because you will easily get drifted away. So please only try to understand as it is. Interestingly, in Tamil we can combine the one and the verb and even the tense all into one word. It is the one and the verb and the tense just becomes a word. Anga varadu yaru. Who is the one coming there? Anga varadu yaru. So this is the present tense. In English it is the is that makes it present tense. Coming makes it, again you understand the verb. In Tamil it is one word. Anga varadu yaru. Who is the one who is coming there? Anga varadu enna. What is the one coming there? Anga varadu yaru. It can mean who is the one approaching, or remember we also use present tense to mean future. So this can also be understood as who is the one who would come there. Anga varadu yaru. Anga vandadu yaru. Who was the one who came there? It is the past tense and the verb come. And we are talking of some unknown person or thing, all roll into one word. Anga vandadu yaru. To modify these verbs, it'd be useful for you if you have a look into the videos from 172 to 176. It is to help you with all the tenses for almost all the verbs. So again, Anga vandadu yaru. Who was the one who came there? It is past tense. Please excuse my voice, I have very bad sore throat. Who will be the one who would come there? Anga varaporathu yaru. Anga varaporathu yaru. I think it's easier for you. Now you're getting it. Now we are going to turn the same into negative sentence in all the tenses. Nethu varadadu yaru. Who was the one who did not turn up yesterday? Inniki varadadu yaru. Who is the one who hasn't come today? Naliki varadadu yaru. Who is the one who is not going to come tomorrow? But to be more exact, for future, naliki varapogadadu yaru. Who is the one who is not going to come tomorrow? But for negative especially, this particular style is not necessary even in English. We have a much simpler way to ask the same in English, and it can be very well understood, and we have the same easy version in Tamil too, especially for the negative. Though you hear the previous versions once in a while, what we are going to see now is more common. Nethu yaar varala. Inneki yaar varala. நாளைக்கு யார் வரல or வரப்போறதில்லை. ஸோ நேற்று யார் வரல, இன்னைக்கு யார் வரல, நாளைக்கு யார் வரல or நாளைக்கு யார் வரப்போறதில்லை. So every time you look at the image, it gives a better understanding of the context. I mean the image at the right. Now plural. But for a change, we'll convert this into a question. Who are the ones or who and all came yesterday or coming today would come tomorrow. Who and all are the ones who came, coming, would come. Yarella, we add yella and it becomes who and all. Vandadu, the one who came. Varadu, the one coming. Varaporadu, the one who is going to come, or the one who are all going to come. So it's simple, isn't it? Yarella vandadu, yarella varadu, yarella varaporadu. Who is the one making noise there? யார் அங்கே சத்தம் போடுறது? யார் அங்கே சத்தம் போடுறது? போடுறது. Do you listen that? I am just muting that. It's not போடாது, it's போடுறது. Who is the one sitting next to you? உன் பக்கத்தில் உட்காந்து இருக்கிறது யாரு? உன் பக்கத்தில் உட்காந்து இருக்கிறது யாரு? Okay, that is to wake some of you feeling sleepy. So you can in your mind try to do the past, the future, negative for the same verb, just as an exercise. Who could be the one spreading these rumors? These two girls are not bothered really. They're just funnily wondering. இந்த வதந்தி எல்லாம் பரப்பி விடுறது யாரா இருக்கும்? Who could be the one spreading these rumors? இந்த வதந்தி எல்லாம் பரப்பி விடுறது யாரா இருக்கும்? This is a brain gym for you. Instead of asking who are the ones coming, you can also directly or direct the question to the listener. Therefore, you will avoid varadu, varaporadu, etc. So try to do for both the phrases. Post the questions directly to the listener, but avoiding who are the ones. That we are not going to use. So give a try and I'll check the comment. So the key to learning is participation. Best of luck.